I don't normally do my gardening inside, but it is so hot out there, and it's so comfortable in here. Sadly, that wasn't the case last week when our old air conditioner quit running on the hottest day of the summer.
18 years in the business, and it's still hard to tell a customer it's time to replace your system. But a product like the Infinity 19VS air conditioner with variable speed technology makes it a lot easier.
I take a lot of pride in my garden, and the last thing I need is a huge new air conditioner taking up space in the yard. So the Carrier guy really got my attention when he told me the Infinity 19VS air conditioner is the smallest ducted air conditioner on the market with a variable speed compressor.
It's actually up to 41% smaller in overall size than some of our current products, thanks to some very sophisticated technology. Inside the unit, you'll find a variable speed motor and very smart electronics. This combination allows the Infinity 19VS air conditioner to adapt to changes in temperature and humidity for the best combination of comfort and efficiency.
So he says, think about your car. Would it be better to have just one gear for everything? City, highway, hills, curves, or a straight stretch of road? Or would it be better to have 5 gears that better match the driving conditions?
When installed as a complete system with an Infinity touch control and Infinity indoor unit, the 19VS air conditioner picks the lowest stage possible to maintain indoor comfort. That's why it's so quiet. And because it runs nearly continuously to keep temperatures consistent, it provides better dehumidification in the summer than standard systems.
I like the sound of that, but what I really like is saving energy.
Don't we all? Now, there are a lot of variables that go into energy savings, but the Infinity 19VS air conditioner is very efficient, up to 19 SEER cooling, some of the best numbers out there. If you aren't familiar with the efficiency ratings for air conditioners, think of it like SPF for sunscreen or miles per gallon for a car. The higher, the better.
So I start thinking, it's super energy efficient, quiet as a conversation, better dehumidification on those sticky summer days. It's too good to be true, but it can't possibly work for me. Well, he had a great answer for that too.
This is one of the most adaptable systems available. It's a great fit anywhere. For the best performance, we recommend a complete Infinity system. But you can install the Infinity 19VS air conditioner with your existing system right now to get you comfortable with partial functionality and replace the indoor components later to get all of the benefits of variable speed comfort and savings.
He went on to tell me about matching it to the right products for even better humidity control with ideal humidity system technology. But honestly, he had me sold at the compact size.
And I was happy to tell her, just give me the word and we'll have you up and running as early as tomorrow.
And now that I have all of the comfort and the efficiency of the Infinity 19VS air conditioner, I'm still an outdoor person, but I do as much of it inside as possible.